Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna be showing you all how I do my braid down process for a partial sew-in. So let's just jump straight into it. Now what you all will see me doing is parting the space or the area where she wants her part to be. So for this video she wanted a middle part, so that's what I'm gonna do, just part the area for a middle part. Now the area that I parted for that middle part, I like to split down the middle and braid each side towards the back and just get it out of the way, just so that I can see that it's even on both sides. I usually always braid my braids straight to the end or almost close to the end if I don't have a clip, just so that the hair doesn't get in the way. But if you have a clip or anything else to hold that hair out of the way, then that's perfectly fine. Moving along to the next part, I did start off camera, but basically all I'm doing here is just getting that group of hair out of the way so that I can have an easier space to do this braid. What you all also see is I like to put a nice amount of either edge control, any type of edge control works, any beeswax or jam on the top of the back of my hand, just so that I have easier access to it as I'm braiding down. And I like to put that on the root of my braid because as I'm braiding, I'll comb through just so that I have like a smooth space with the hair, so that it's really neat, and it just helps give me a really neat and nice foundation. As you're braiding, you may get a couple little tanglies just like I just had. That is totally okay. That's what the comb is there for. You just comb that straight through and it should come out no problem, and you should not have any hair loss. But just continue watching me braid down. Another thing I'm not sure if I mentioned before is at the end of that braid, I braid it all the way down, and then as I start my next braid midway through, I'll pick up the end of the previous braid to add into my new braid and continue to braid all the way down. So I just keep doing that method all the way around the head. So here it actually shows as I'm braiding, I stop midway, grab the previous braid, add it in, and then just continue to braid down. So just like I said, you all, you're gonna just continue that method from start to finish all around the entire head. You all, what I also did off camera were my 4 anchor braids, where I braid around the perimeter of the leave out area and then 1 braid on each side around the sides of the head that ends at the back. Okay, so moving on, as you all can see, I am almost done with this braid pattern. Just continue to watch. Hey guys, comment hashtag me too if you have gone to a barbershop or a hair salon and you know that that's the place where you will either hear the juiciest tea, or you will hear some really good life advice, or in general you just like to go there just to enjoy your time, just as a spot to hang out. For me, the salon has just grown to be one of my first loves. I literally know the life or the environment, as some would probably say, of the salon like the back of my hand. I actually was brought up around the salon. My mother did hair, my aunt did hair, so the salon environment is just nothing new to me. And one of the main life lessons that I can say I have learned from the salon is, if there is anything that you do not want everybody to know, don't say it in the salon, or don't tell someone in the salon who you know will repeat it, because the whole world will know your business. But like I said, if you can relate to that, in the comments down below, just write #MeToo. Personally, when it comes to me and my clients, most of me and my clients have really good relationships, which is why they all are returning clients, because they know that who they're dealing with is a genuine person. Even when it comes to sharing information, they know that with me, they are safe, and I feel the same way with them. Like I said, good tea, honey. And again, we literally had each other weak this day. You all see me doing now is just greasing my client's scalp really well with my Blue Magic castor oil grease, just to prep her scalp for this install and to keep her scalp from being too dry. Now what you all see me attempting to do is thread my needles, and then this happens. That was my keep it closed one more time. Just did not want your girl to be great. Okay, back to business. So when it comes to this very last braid, it really just depends on if the braid is firm enough to stick down when I crochet it, to whether or not I crochet it or sew it down. I like to just make it really simple and easy for my clients when it comes to takedown, if they are not coming back to me for the actual takedown. But that is the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social medias. And do not forget to stay slayed up, stay prayed up, and stay focused. Bye, guys.